take pictures. That would be awesome. Nicely. Nicely. Yeah, big guy. So often elephants lots of people drive away from that sort of behavior. Very young bull, not threat at all. But when they walk down the hills like that, their pads on the soles of their feet there are very, very springy, and that stops their joints from getting arthritis from supporting the weight.
Maybe we should have that now.
Yeah, so it's like a big cushion, and they bounce off it. Bounce off it. And that's why they have that. Nicely, big guy. Hey there. Nicely. Nicely.
It's a beauty. It's all right.
Yeah, he's a little.
It's all right.
Hey there, big guy. Oh, they're beautiful animals. Nicely. Easy there, big guy. Easy. Hey. Nicely. Nicely. Easy, big guy.
That right eye is.
It's just probably full of mud, hey?
He's just winking at you.
Just winking at you. Because remember, guys, just like our eyes, these elephants use their eyesight to help direct their tusks. Their trunk. So nicely, big guy. Nicely. So what you'll find is that their eyesight, just like our eyes, mean that even if they're looking straight ahead, they can still see what we're doing. So if we look straight ahead, we can still see our hands, whenever we're doing something. Nice, big guy. Easy. Easy, big guy. Just taking it easy. Beautiful. Hello, big girl. Fantastic. So, here comes an ancient cow over there. No, yeah, ancient cow. Nicely. 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 Hello, big girl. No, not you. Hello, big girl. Hello there, big girl. They're awesome animals, eh, guys? That's why they're my favorites.
So when are we going to have some fun?
We can get out if you want. Well, that was epic,
That was
guys.
excellent. You guys are like top notch.
Alrighty, so let's leave them for feed. Megan was looking for an elephant. Where you gone? There you go, Gabriel.